a quick video just touching on the fact of the GoPro Hero9. The GoPro Hero9 is probably not the best GoPro that you want to get if you are starting out with a moto vlogging, you know, personal vlogging, because it has become very difficult to try and find an audio setup that works. A few uploads ago, I thought that I had found the right audio setup so that it would start making the audio come out correctly, but it's not, and it's becoming a very annoying got my little personal warmer here. But yeah, the GoPro Hero9, definitely not the one that I would go for if I did not have a GoPro. There's not a whole lot about having the audio setup work out there. So honestly, it's just been trial and error right now. I bought 3 different mic setups to try and work this out. GoPro Hero9. It hands down, it's a great, you know, starter for someone who's just getting into it. But if you plan on making videos and trying to capture your audio with it, I definitely wouldn't go for this one. And I'm just putting this out there. Oh, I don't know if I caught that, but that person just completely ran the red light. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video really quick. Tonight we're going to go on just a little ride. He's going to end up breaking off, and then after that I don't know exactly where we're going, so we'll figure it out. Out there for an explanation as to why the audio has been so terrible, and I am sorry. I don't do it on purpose, I promise.